To create this design, you need to add a cube. Then scale this cube along the y-axis. Apply this scale, go to the edit mode, select these corner edges and Ctrl B add bevel on them. Select this top face, use the insert operation, then extrude along the normal and use the insert operation one more time. Then select everything, mesh and take the symmetry along the z-axis and x-axis. Then you need to add one cube, scale down this cube, select this corner edges and then Ctrl B add bevel on them. Add 2 segment bevel and shape factor should be 0. And here you can increase the bevel width 0.5. Then select these faces and then extrude them along the normal like this. Increase the offset. Then shift A, mesh and add a cylinder, and I will go with a 24-watt cylinder. Rotate this cylinder into 90° and scale it down. Try to align these edges in this way. Then select these two objects, isolate them and then use the boolean operation union. Apply the boolean modifier and delete the cutter object. Then select everything and mesh symmetrize, take the symmetry along the x-axis and z-axis. Then select everything, press M and merge by distance so double words will get merged. Then select these faces, then S, Y and give the value 0. And select these faces S, Y and give the value 0. Then select everything, press M and merge by distance. Now you have got this cutter object. Select this object and select this object and shift Q and use the boolean operation difference. Adjust the position of this cutter object like this. Apply the boolean modifier and hide this cutter object. Go to the edit mode, select these faces, and Ctrl X to dissolve them. Then use the knife tool and create cut like this. And then select everything, mesh symmetrize, take the symmetry. Then delete one half of the model. Use the knife tool and create cut along the z-axis and create cut along the x-axis. Then select this edge and select this edge and dissolve it. Add one center loop cut here. Select these words and then press J to connect them. Then select these words and then press J to connect them. Now select this face. Use the insert operation and then use the insert operation one more time and then press Alt S to scale it along the normal like this. Then use the knife tool and create this kind of cut. Use the knife tool, press C, then press A and then press Phi and then create cut like this. Then dissolve this edge and dissolve this edge. Then select this edge loop, and Ctrl B add bevel on it. Shape factor should be 1. Add 2 segment bevel and give the proper bevel width. Select this edge loop and then Ctrl B add bevel on it. Now we need to create topology for this. Use the knife tool and create cut like this. Then dissolve these edges. Then use the knife tool and create cut at here. Then select these faces and use the insert operation. Select these words and merge them at the center. And then dissolve these edges. Then add one center loop cut here and select these words and then press J to connect them. You will get this kind of loop structure at there. Then add one loop cut like this, one loop cut like this, and then select these faces and use the insert operation at there and press P to avoid the border. Don't worry about that part. Dissolve this edge. Select these words and then press J to connect them and then dissolve these edges. Select these words and press M and merge at last. Then dissolve this edge. Select these words, press J and connect them. and then dissolve these edges. So you will get this kind of loop structure. Then rotate this object into 45-degree angle, apply the rotation, and then select everything, mesh and symmetrize it the symmetry. So you will get this kind of loop structure. Then add one loop cut here and add one loop cut here. Then select this each loops and Ctrl D, add bevel on them. And then rotate it into 45-degree angle. Now you can see the loop structure is like this. Just select these edge loops and Ctrl X to dissolve them. Then apply the rotation. Then select everything, mesh and symmetrize. Take the symmetry along the x-axis and z-axis. Now you can see the face loop is like this. Select these faces, use the insert operation, then use the loop tool circle option. Then delete these faces, select this edge loop, and then go to the face grid fill. Then adjust the offset like this and turn on the simple blending. Then hit the Ctrl 2 and add a subdivision modifier and shade smooth it. Here we are facing little difficulty, so we need to check the face orientation. Go to the face orientation and the face orientation is wrong. Go to the edit mode, select everything and then press Alt N and recalculate the normal. And now it is looking really well. Turn off this face orientation and you can see you will get this kind of design. And there you go. In this way you can create this kind of design. You can see the topology, you can see the form. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye, see you next video. Take care.